Yeah, oh here, look at this humidifier. How gross this is. You see all this pink slime here. That is not good. So you really want to clean this, and let me show you how this is done. Okay, so I start out by just simply turning it off and unplugging it here from power so that this is safe. And then I take here the tank, the water tank, and I pour out all the water that's still in there. And I do the same here with the base. Here in this case you have to look at this arrow that points to the direction where you're supposed to pour it out at. So I'm doing just that. And then here I also have here this nozzle for the direction, and I'm cleaning that out. I'm rinsing it with water, and then I'm also going to wipe this out here with a paper towel. And so what's next? So then I have here the bottom of the tank that's really quite a bit of this pink slime. I'm going to wipe that off, and I do the same thing with the base. I'm going to wipe this pink slime off with the paper towel. And what I did was I had some vinegar put onto the paper towel first. That helps to keep it clean. And now here in this model here you have this shaft here in the middle. That's where the steam goes up in. I'm going to rinse that. And I'm also going to rinse here the tank a couple of times. I'm just going to shake this really vigorously. And I do this 2 or 3 times. And after I did that, then I'm going to fill up the tank about halfway. And then I'm going to take here some vinegar. And I'm going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of vinegar to this water. And as soon as I've done that, I'm going to close the tank, and I'm again going to shake this for a couple of seconds so it gets everywhere here, this vinegar water mixture. And then I'm going to just put it aside, the tank here that is, and I'm going to leave it sitting here for about half an hour. And then I'm going to do the same thing here with the base. I'm going to fill that up with water. I'm using here warm water, so it's a really good fast reaction here. And I'm going to fill this up to the top. I just added about 2 tablespoons of vinegar here into the water. And I'm also going to leave that sitting here for 30 minutes. And once the 30 minutes are over, I'm just going to pour out the water out of the tank, and I'm going to rinse the tank a couple of times so that all of the vinegar is out. And I repeat the same here with the base, and I'm also going to use a paper towel again to rub off the remaining gunk here, this yellow or pink slime that you have in here. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times, and I'm always making sure I'm only rinsing it here, pouring it out to one direction that the arrow is pointing at. And as soon as it's done and I've dried it off, I'm going to refill the tank here, put it on top of the base, and just assemble the humidifier, basically plug it back in, and it's again ready to go. Right? Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, then leave a comment below.